Hello guys, my name is Alex Kimani, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and share. Fun fact, less than 7% of the global population is invested in cryptocurrencies. That is less than 574 million people. Pi is made for the 5 billion smartphone owners in the world. After Open Mainnet launch, we are gonna sprint to 1 billion users. The ultimate mass adoption dream of the blockchain industry is now possible with Pi. Don't miss out Pi network. If you have Pi coins, your future is bright. Don't sell it now, not even for the worst reason. Wealth in crypto is to hold. Even after the Open Mainnet, still hold. And you will get richer later. Thank me later. Halliburton, one of the world's largest oil and gas companies, has now hosted a Pi network server. Congratulations to all Pi miners.